Hello friends, this is Urmisha Patel. I welcome you all in my channel, and today we are going to explore some advanced topics in Tableau, that is cluster. So before we drill down onto this cluster analysis and apply to our data set, I want to make you understand what exactly the cluster analysis is all about. So cluster is an art of segmentation. So segmentation means grouping in terms of identical patterns in terms of what is a field. So now I would say that cluster is actually the grouping of identical features based on these fields. So based on this number of location and sales, whichever the having the similar properties, they will create a kind of a group. So I want to explore on this data set. So this is based on this top 30 US fast food chain on 2017. So I have the sales and location. I've used that fields here and create this scatter plot. And I can see that it's a kind of a grouping I can see for a few fast food chain that they shows a similar kind of a property. Similarly, if you see over here, you can have this three different food chain: Wendy, Taco Bell, and Burger King. They are showing some similar kind of property as a the number of location plus the sales for that year. So, but there are some outliers. So these are some terms that I'm using based on the analytics field. If you have been already as a part of that, so want to see some Tableau data scientist stuff, then this is cluster analysis is a part of that. So we are going to apply this to this data set. So how? So go to this analytics, and here you will see this cluster. So I'll drag this cluster and click and put it on this, and you will find that this dialog box based what it shows, it's a variable, and these are fields which I have used based on which it is giving me some automatically created cluster that are the five different clusters based on the features. So if you see these, as we were able to identify even from our graph that there is a kind of a group has been created similarly, or I would say a similar kind of a pattern based on the location and the sales. So these are the five different clusters. So what exactly this cluster is going to help you, it will show you that how you can approach. So this is more the depth analytics, not just with the graph, but more of what graph is telling you, so some insight. So this clusters will help you how to uh, segment and marketing. So this is strategies usually used by the marketing field, that how to market or campaign that particular area or particular group of people, or let's say based on the segmentation. So this is all about these clusters, but you can also add or remove that variables if you don't want to count on that basis. But here, let's say this is giving me five different clusters, but I just want a three different, then you can also add here three, and you will find that three different clusters are showing which having the similar property, or you can count those those particular group and merge them, or kind of based on the similar properties. But I'll keep this right now as an automatic, so it will show us five different. But now I think you must be questioning on how we can have the confidence that this is giving us an accurate result. Then so this Tableau is actually using k-means clustering algorithm to identify this cluster. So k-means algorithm is the bestest clustering technique on while segmenting and showing the clusters. But again, it depends on the data set. So here I have a very limited data set, but if you have a large data set and then you apply, then k-means clustering is the one which is the best cluster if you can work on. So this is how you can have your cluster analysis. You can apply and deep dive into the analytics field as well using this Tableau. I've already have this in my Tableau public, so you can explore that. I have created this America's food chain. You can download that and explore this stuff similar to this. Here I have used this segmentation, but used based on the custom shapes. So you can also learn the custom shape based clustering analysis or segmentation. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.